What's up, guys? Today we're diving deep into the iPhone 17 Ultra, Apple's next level beast that's ready to shatter the smartphone game. This ain't your average upgrade, folks. We're talking about a fresh design, insane camera tech, and some wild safety features that nobody saw coming. Let's get into it. First off, the design. Apple is pushing boundaries like never before. The iPhone 17 Ultra flexes a rugged yet ultra-light titanium case, wrapping around that ceramic shield front like armor forged for the future. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement. The clean, sleek body is a nod to the classics, but with that modern titanium twist that screams durability without bulk. And yo, the bezels. Thinner than ever. The dynamic island got slimmed down by 20%, giving you more screen real estate to binge, scroll, or game on its massive 6.9-inch display. Plus, a refresh rate up to 180 Hz, smooth as butter, like silk on your eyes. Now, the camera setup, Apple's biggest leap yet. The Ultra sports a quad camera system that's not just for snapshots, it's a cinematic powerhouse. Think deeper colors, sharper details, and low-light magic that turns night into day. This is the camera that turns your moments into masterpieces. Whether you're a casual snapper or a pro creator, Ultra's got your back. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Ultra runs on the M2 chip, the fastest chip Apple has ever squeezed into a smartphone. Seriously, this thing will blast through apps, games, and multitasking like it's nothing. But here's where I gotta ask, how much power do we really need in a phone? Apple's betting big, and hey, if it keeps the device buttery smooth and future-proof, I'm here for it. Battery life? They're promising a jaw-dropping 30 hours of use. That's basically a full day plus without scrambling for a charger. For the hustle culture out there, that's clutch. But here's the kicker. Apple's introducing a whole new category of safety innovations. They're not just about flashy specs, they want to protect you. Whether it's accident detection or new health monitoring tech, Apple's stepping up the game to keep you safer in ways that truly matter. Oh, and did I mention the colors? Ultra comes in silver, deep red, jet black, and Sierra blue. All stunning, all classy. You're definitely gonna want to pick a shade that matches your vibe. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Ultra just hype, or the real deal ready to rewrite the rulebook? Drop your thoughts below. For me, this is Apple showing off what happens when tradition meets innovation, with a sprinkle of that signature Apple magic.